29. Mamaya alis na kami, flight na kami papuntang Vegas. Pero ngayon pinatawag kami sa labor room. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Baka siguro sasabihin or baka i-check lang kung kamusta na si Marie. Baka magsasarya na kasi siya. So kasi baka medyo mahirap na yung pag-normal niya. So kasi naglalaban 50-50. Si baby ayaw pa bumaba. Ayun, ito, hinihintay ko na lang yung go signal. Sana at least makita ko si baby bago man lang ako umalis, bago man lang lumipad papuntang Vegas. So, ayan, medyo nakakalungkot kasi parang tumatagal yung mga pangyayari, pero doon pa rin naman yung excitement, doon pa rin naman siya. Ayun, sana lumabas na yun. Sana lumabas na si baby para makita ko na bago man lang umalis papuntang Vegas.
Actually, I can give a trial of labor hanggang mamayang tanghali, pero tingin ko hindi lalabas talaga by experience. Ano na siya eh, napakot na kami sa tour.
Oo nga.
Kanina pa. Kagabi pa nga yun.
Specific performance. Sasabihin sa camera na kung anong gagawin mo.
Ayan. So, nag-skin test na po siya ng antibiotic. Ayan. Masakit ba? Ha?
Wala nararamdaman.
Wala ka nararamdaman.
Parang ano lang, may kuryente sa loob ng katawan.
Sa baba lang, di ba?
Oo.
From waist down lang.
Oo.
Hindi ka naman nahihirapang mag-breathe. Hindi. Ano na lang yan, sandali na lang, in 10 minutes na dyan ang baby.
Munti mong pangarap at may hindi pa rin sa mga kulang. Child of a love so free the world is.
Sa pakiramdam kasi, sobrang happy. Kasi parang, sarap niya, sarap kasi. Siguro parang hindi pa talaga lumalabas, siguro hindi pa sobrang talagang tuwang-tuwa, pero baga nasa loob parang gano'n, parang hindi siya lumalabas, pero parang sarap kasi iba yung feeling niya na saya, na yung nakita ko yung baby ko, parang hindi ako makapaniwala, parang may baby na ako, yun siya. Parang gano'n din, parang nandito na kami ngayon, hihintay lang namin yung pagdating ni baby. Tapos mamaya mag-ayos na ako ng mga gamit ko. Uwi muna ako. Mukhang tulog pa si Marie, medyo nasa recovery room pa eh. So baka maya pa yun. Balik ako kay Marie para check ulit yung kalagayan niya, status niya pati baby. Para at least bago umalis, konting alaala man lang konting para masaya. So pampalakas ng loob pagdating sa competition. Mas masarap itong laban na compared sa mga year na yun, parang palang ngayon, parang kompleto lahat kompleto. Pati yung fulfilling sa buhay ng isang tao, kompleto, parang bawat isa sa amin. Parang fulfilled siya. Parang doon pa lang, panalo na kami. Parang hindi na namin kailangang isipin yung kailangang tuwing tagawag ka ng gano'n. Yung pagiging kompleto namin, yung pagiging family, yung lahat kami, masaya. Iisa kami, yun yung panalo na kami.
We are heading to the airport right now. We're just waiting for the other driver to pick us up. It's a full house here. The rest are already on their way. Anyway, a few of us are already catching a fever. But we're still hanging on. Did you guys watch yesterday's video?
What's about Gloria, son?
Hey! You're teasing me.
You gotta tase the nation.
Hey, don't I look like a teacher in here? Like a 3rd grade teacher?
Yun na, boy. Excited to rep Keep repping the one who shines brighter than the sun. What you know about that, son?
Nakapal na ako, boy. Dito pala sa Pilas. Nararoon na ako yung dance. Tik-tik.
Excited na ako! Makikita ko na yung family ko. This is it! 5 more days!
Kasya na ba? Kasya na ba?
You all gotta tune in! 5 more days, Philippines! Oh, and the world.
Sana may paper.
To the floor, guess who's knocking on your door? 1, 2, 3 to the floor. Guess who?
Take a walk with me through my struggles of survival. Cause if that wasn't enough, I gotta deal with rivals. Every day I live it like it was my last. I think about the
queen to the floor like a salsa dancer. Cold look left shoulder with the cold black pants through phantom random. Mystery be the name of this game. Anthem catch 'em for the
Pilipinas. Where you guys, man? Pagdasan nyo kami. God bless Philippines. Keep your heads up.
yeah.
Cause he's what's up. It's his story, baby.
Ano nangyari, Chichi? Seryoso, ano
Hindi ko na-print yung ticket ni Gino. Pero,
Patay.
Gino is actually our cameraman, our one and only cameraman for his story, the movie.
Chef, ano yan? Pwede kayo tayo dito.
Now we're gonna have to find a way to print it out. Elias from GK! Guys, look what I found! Look what I found! Oh my god! Let's go, we have to go get Gino's ticket. Because if we don't get Gino's ticket, then we don't have a cameraman. And if we don't have a cameraman, then people in the whole world wouldn't know if we are gonna take the gold, okay? So we can't let that happen. So we gotta go. And the thing is, I'm walking with Chichi and she's pregnant. So we gotta hurry her up. Chichi, come on, let's go. Come back. We're late. We're late. Actually, we're not going, guys. This is just a joke. Ha ha ha.